Hi guys, it's Niara here again, and I'm going to show you how I update my makeup when I'm heading out for the night, just coming home from work. So my makeup is fading throughout the day, and with me wearing a mask and everything, I have to touch up my base first. I'm using the concealer shade in Ellsworth and a little foundation brush to just go in and touch up any problem areas. I'm not putting on a whole new base or anything like that. I just want to quickly touch this up to make sure that it looks good for the night. Next, I'm going in with the lip and cheek shade Coral, and I am gonna just apply that to my cheeks. I really enjoy blush. I feel like the more the better, but I just like to maybe touch up my blush. If you guys didn't know, that blush is the quickest thing to fade. So even though I apply this in the morning and most of my makeup is faded, my blush is usually gone maybe like 2, maybe 3 hours into the workday. It's gonna be your quickest fading product. Now I'm just using a little bit of the bronzer in the shade Espresso. I personally like this for touching up my makeup. I don't feel like a lot of people think to reapply the bronzer, but I feel like a bronzer is a much more beginner friendly and a softer approach to contouring. And I feel like when I'm going out at night, I like to have a little bit more of a contoured look. So I like to just touch up my bronzer and add a little bit more there. For me, going out, a smoky eye is synonymous with the night out. So I am using just the matte shade and the Dune Eyeshadow Duo to just kind of contour my eyes. I'm not using the shimmery shade at all. This is really quick. It took me like less than 2 seconds to do this. I'm just focusing on the outer corner and the crease. So next thing I'm going to be doing is just blotting my face with a little bit of the shine control powder. I just want to get rid of any additional oil on my face, lock in my look for the night. I keep one of these in my desk at work, in my purse, and at home. So needless to say, I love this setting powder. It's really easy to use to freshen up your look throughout the day. Lastly, I am just using a little bit of the Nectar Eyeshadow Duo, the shimmery shade in there, to highlight my face. So I like a little bit more of a golden highlight on my face. So this Nectar shade, I feel like actually doubles as a highlight if you want it to be in an eyeshadow. I would say use it very lightly because it is very golden. But I'm just adding a little bit on my cheeks, my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the inner corner. And that is how I am updating my face for nighttime, coming straight from work. I'm going to apply a little bit of gloss. I'm also going to put a little bit of mascara on as well, but it doesn't take much to update your look. It's really easy and simple. This look took me less than 10 minutes to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. My name is Niara Alexis. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at that handle. And hopefully I will see you guys next time.